Okay, welcome Jebalali. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at spreadsheets. And spreadsheets are used to store information. It can be text, it can be numbers, and they're also used for performing calculations on those numbers. And in this first little challenge, we're going to look at storing the data of the 5 largest countries in the world. Okay, so I'm going to start by explaining a little bit about what a spreadsheet is. Now, spreadsheets are made of tiny squares, and these are called cells, and these cells are stored in columns and rows. Now the columns have a letter at the top and the rows have a number at the beginning, and columns are stored in alphabetical order, rows are stored in numerical order. And where these columns and rows meet, we have cell reference, and each cell reference is unique. So the cell reference here is B5 and here is C1. Now we can add text and number to the cells. So first I'm going to add a title in A1. So I'm going to tap once in A1 and my title is going to be Top 5 Largest Countries. So that's my title, and that is actually stored in cell A1. You can see that the text has gone out of the cell a little bit. So what I'm going to do, my first formatting task, is to resize my column. So I move my mouse between the A and B column and I click and I hold and I drag, and you'll see that has resized the column. Okay, so now I'm going to add my first table heading. So in A3, I'm going to type in here country, whoops, country, and in cell B3, I'm going to type in size. Okay, and I'm just going to resize the column B to make it a little bit wider. And now I'm going to add the top 5 countries in size, not in order, but I'm going to add them anyway. Okay, once I've added my data, I can now begin formatting my cells. Formatting basically means to change its appearance. So first I'm going to go to my cell A1. I'm going to click in there once, and here if I want I can change the font by clicking here. You see that it's an active cell, so I've clicked once on my cell. If I want I can change the background color, I can change the font color, and I can also add a border around my column, around my cell. Now, if I want to change more than one cell, I click once and drag, and you'll see here I've got 2 cells highlighted. Again, I can change the background, I can change the font color. There are other tools. You can change the height or the size of your text. You can also, again, change your font. Now, if I want to change more than one row and one column, I click on the first cell and then hold and drag, and that will highlight the cells here. And again, I can change my background color, I can change my font color. And if I want to align my text in the middle, again, select the cells you wish to format. So I've highlighted all of my table here, and the alignment tool is just here, so you can click to choose either right align, center align, or left. I'm going to center align. Okay, so they are the simple formatting tools. There is one more, and that's the cell border. You can do that again, either one cell or more than one cell, and the cell borders are just here. So click once, and then you can either choose a border around the table or a border around each cell. And there you'll see that the border is added to your table. Okay, that is how you perform simple formatting in your spreadsheet. So once you've added your data, you can begin formatting your cells. Try that and I'll see you in the next tutorial.